Hello everyone. So in this video, we'll be talking about subtraction, and with this trick, you can do subtraction instantly, right? So let us start with it. Last I told you about a story of this caveman where subtraction was happening naturally in the nature. So you can go ahead and watch it. And there is a trick for addition also, okay? Where we did the addition from left to right method. So let us begin with subtraction, and obviously you have to practice with that trick also. And let's go ahead how it works out here. So suppose if I have a problem, say 65 is taken away from 29. Okay. So what you have to do is that find the closest multiple of 10. Yeah, find the closest multiple of 10 from the numbers getting subtracted. So 29, I can make it 30. How I can make it 30? By adding 1 over here. Okay. So what I'll do actually is that 29, right? If I add 1, right? And 65 also I add 1, right? Now, the thing is happening is that by counting in tens, things makes it easier. So 65 added to 1 becomes 66, and then 29 added to 1, that becomes 30, right? So actually -1 it is happening over here and +1 it is happening over here. So the thing is remain the same, right? Instead of 29, I have written it 30 over here. Instead of 65, I have written it 60 over here. Or whatever number is getting subtracted, make it to the closest 10, right? So it would be 66 taken away 30. So that will give you 36. That way you can go ahead and do your calculation, right? So just make the number more and again make the number more for this one, right? So suppose if I take another example over here, that is the second one as 86, I take away 17, right? So 17, I have to make it 20 because 20 is the closest multiple of 10. So I make it 20. I have added 3 over here to make 17 20. So I'll add 3 more to 89, right? So I added 3 here. I added 3 here in the magnitude, not with the sign, right? So 89 take away 20, that will give me 69. So this is what you can do, right? Suppose if I have, say, 91 take away 46, right? So 46, 4 I have to add. So 91, 4 I had, this becomes 95. 46 will become 50. So this is the answer would be 45. So this is how you can do the subtraction and get the things easily. Okay. Okay, now left to right subtractions, if I talk about, right? So what things will be coming in your mind here? What things will be going on? 6, you can write it as 60. Then you have to take away 20. So it's 40. Then add 5. Remember, add 5. So it would be 45. And then take away 9. Right? So this would be 36. So this is what you can practice to improve your speed. But this is what you can follow. Right? These are the two different things. Do not consider it as a one thing. This one is from the last video. Those who have watched the last video, they know what is a trick, right? So if you want, I'll send you the worksheet also to make your subtraction faster. And this is what you can do. So actually, it is like the principle here is that suppose there are 2 bars, right? So I'll decrease this one by some length, and same way, I'll increase this one by that same length so that it is equal only, and difference is always same, right? So it does not matter with what you calculate the difference. Okay. So I hope you guys got it, and then we'll meet again in the next lecture.